Hey everyone, this is the Med City CPA, and as many of you know, I have a 2015 Chevy Sonic, and I was reading through the owner's manual, and I found out that there's this secret compartment right back here. Sorry, the car's not the cleanest. You gotta pull this little latch here. You look up, and look. There is a spare tire, and there is a spare tire kit underneath there. All you need to do is just unscrew this right here. Mine's very loose. You unscrew this right here, you can take the tire out. There is a jack right there, and there's some other items to help you fix your tire if you run it flat. Now, here's the key point. Here's what they don't want you to know. The easy way, that would be one way of fixing your tire, and this from, pulling open your secret compartment here. But the other way, the secret way, which is much more easier, is you go in your garage and you get your jack and jack stands. So that's something, little secret tip. So instead of using this jack stand kit right here, this lift here, don't use that. That's just silly. Just go ahead, walk into your garage and get those right there. That'll be much easier, help you guys out. Hopefully this tip is helpful if you need to change your tire.